Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Alma. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and share with your friends. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Today I will show you a step-by-step in the beginning of my makeup routine, what I do to my skin to prepare it for my makeup. I do have oily to combination skin. Now this routine that I'm about to show you guys, it's what works for me. I know that there's people out there that might not agree with me, but this is the way I do it. Okay, I forgot to put my microphone. I swear I need to get used to that stuff. Anyways, let's get started on my video. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna take my makeup off. I already washed my face and it does look a little shiny and oily-ish. Okay, so I'm not gonna be in the sun today. I'm gonna be indoors most of the time, so I'm gonna be using this moisturizer. Now, if I'm in the sun for the day or partial of the day, I will be using this one. I love this sunscreen by Trader Joe's. Reason is because it's very lightweight. I like that it has like a silicone feel and it goes really smooth, so it goes well with the makeup on top. It doesn't slide off, nothing. I mean, it works for me. It has water and sweat resistant, 40 minutes, oil free, invisible gel formula, fragrance free. Yeah, so it's like smooth, clear moisturizer, sunscreen type. I just use it as a moisturizer. But anyways, today I will be using this one by La Roche-Posay, the one that you guys always see me using. I'm just gonna put that all over my face. And yes, I go all on my neck. I do my neck because I feel like sometimes I do put the makeup down here and it's important to moisturize it. I don't know, I just feel like it's better to cover the whole thing. After this, I'm gonna use a setting spray. I use this one or the e.l.f. The Milani one is real good. That one's one of my favorites. But right now I'm gonna use this one. And what I do is I either leave it on or with a, I fan it off until like the moisture kind of calms down. I don't know, this is the way I like it. And my foundation is just perfect with when I do this. I don't know, it just works for me. And I don't like to layer on too many creams and things. I used to do that a long time ago. But when I layer it, I don't know, I just feel like it's too much. It's too much on my skin, and then sometimes I feel like the makeup doesn't look as good. Okay, you see how it's kind of shiny and it looks oily or wet or something? I'm cool with that. I'm cool with that. I see people that put powder on top of this and then do their foundation. I haven't had the guts to do that, but I've been wanting to try it. Oh my god, this thing went all over the place. Okay, this thing is kind of clogged up. I hate that it's thick and it gets clogged up. But anyways, I'm going to put it on the back of my skin. This is the 30-hour foundation Maybelline. This one right here. And I'm going to get this brush. This one is the e.l.f. Buffing Foundation. And I'm going to use that to apply the foundation on my skin. And this is a thicker foundation. It doesn't even move when you put it on. Like, on the back of my hand, but it spreads really well. And the reason why I like this for today is because I'm gonna sweat and I'm gonna go out right now with Lily, and I know this will stay put. So this is what I do for my oily skin. This is a matte foundation. It doesn't look oily. I don't know, I like it. I'll let my foundation sit on my skin for a moment. In the meantime, I'm gonna do my concealer. And at the end of the concealer, I set my concealer and then I set my face. So let's do this. Okay, so I'm gonna get a different brush for the concealer. This one's the Real Techniques. And I'm just gonna dab on and spread out My concealer, and the one I'm using today is the Makeup Revolution Filter Finish Soft Matte. Oh my god, I keep forgetting about my microphone. Right now I got started without my microphone. So I like this concealer, how it gives me like a light, it's not too harsh. I love the e.l.f. concealer, the Camel concealer, but I feel like it distributes a lot on my face. See, this one was a little bit, and I love the application of it. Look, I mean the applicator. You see, it's so cute. And maybe I'll highlight my face a little bit, but I like how subtle it is. Of course, you can layer it up if you want to. Okay, so now I'm gonna set my lids using the Laura Mercier setting powder. I'm gonna also set my under eyes. Okay, so I'm gonna flip my little sponge. I'm gonna get my powder and set the T-zone area of my face. Okay, so now that I have the base set, ready to start putting on my eyeshadow and my contour, my face and everything. So now I will do that, and I'm gonna speed this part up so you guys can see what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. Halo Glow to contour my face. Why do I have to do that right now? Oh my god, I usually do this at the end. I am tripping. The brush I'm using for this is the Complexion Duo by e.l.f. God, what did I do? Okay, and today I will be using this NYX palette. Look how pretty. That's what I'm going to be using. I picked out is Petal by Milani, and I love this color. Look how pretty. Oh my god, it looks so pretty, and I think it goes really well with the eyes. So yes, this completes my makeup look, and of course I had to pull out I'm excited for Halloween, so I've been wearing my Halloween earrings, my little studs. Okay, so I'm gonna set it now with the Fix Plus by MAC. The blush obviously is by Makeup Geek. I did do contour a little bit. I had to be very, very careful because this is really dark. The Halo Glow, obviously, I showed you guys. And yeah, I decided to go for an eyeliner look today. The other day, I did an eyeliner look, and it just completely changed the way the makeup looked. It didn't look too simple. And I'm like, okay, I'm gonna start doing my eyeliner. Hope you guys liked it. I hope it helped a lot of people out there. And thank you guys so much. Everybody that hasn't subscribed, please do so. Help my channel out. And for all the people that are my returning subscribers, I love you guys so much. Thank you for your support. And share my videos. check out my other videos. I have other videos too. Here, let me put my glasses on. I'm so blind. And this is how it looks with glasses. Oh my god, they're so dirty. I need to wash them and clean them. Usually this is what I use to clean my glasses. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day. I'll see you guys on the next video.